Hi, my name is Diana, the dummy cook, and today we're going to be making peanut butter from scratch in just 1.5 minutes. Yes, you heard it, in less than 2 minutes. But before I make it, let me list 25 other things I could make from scratch with my Thermomix. Butter, buttermilk, whipped cream, mayonnaise, ketchup, pizza dough, bread dough, rice flour, almond milk, powdered sugar, vegetable stock, protein bars, energy bars, jam, ice cream, ricotta, yogurt, condensed milk, caramel, marinara sauce, hollandaise sauce, pesto, vinaigrette, dressings, and many more I cannot even think of right now. This will save you a ton of money. It's healthier because you're not adding preservatives. It's much more fresh because you can make them on demand. So anyway, let's make that peanut butter, right? Look, it's really difficult. I go to my cell phone, in the app I choose peanut butter and it shows up here on the screen. Now I can go and say start cooking, and let's see, it wants me to add 7 ounces of roasted salted peanuts. All right, we have them here. Let's see, 7 ounces. So I'm gonna start throwing them here, and you see how the scale changes? I love the scale. All right, so it's going on 2 and 7. Oh, 6.9. Let's see. Let's see how much is a peanut. Not there yet. Let's see. 7. Okay, there you go. So here we go. Then we are going to close it, and it's gonna be very powerful. Okay, let's see. For 15 seconds, no temperature this time because we're not doing a soup, and the speed is going to be 8. So it's gonna be very strong, but obviously it is because it's going to be grinding all these peanuts. Alrighty, so let's go for it. 15 seconds. There you go, now it's calling me. All right, so let's see, it says scrape down the sides. All right, let's scrape down the sides, but not only that, we're also going to show you how it looks like. It's already peanut butter, right? All right, so we're going to scrape down the sides. All it wants is for all the peanut to go on the bottom because we're gonna keep working on it, okay? But again, it smells good already. So you see, pretty good, right? Okay, so we're gonna put it back here. And now we're going to say 1/2 ounce of peanut oil to taste. Okay, well, my taste is going to be 1/2 ounce. So 1/2 ounce, really good. That's what we needed. Then next, we're going to cover it. And we're gonna go mixing for a minute. And that's it, we're gonna be done. So wait for me, in a minute, I'll be back and we're gonna be having peanut butter. All right, let me do it. 1 minute, no temperature, speed 5. Okay, speed 5 it is. Blast off. Okay, so yes, I'm here. Let's see, and now it has an optional step that I'm going to skip because it says that if I want it smoother, but I don't. So now it says eat it. That's it. Look at this. Amazing. Actually, it's hot here. Nice. All right, so I can put it here on a jar. I mean, I'll put it later in a jar. Right now, I'm just gonna put it in this bowl, but look, you can see how it falls. Ooh, amazing, right? And not only that, I just wanna show you how spreadable and how good it is. Look at this. Okay, I'm not gonna do the whole thing right now because I haven't had dinner yet. But anyway, here you are. So we're done. That was it. Next time someone says,
Nah, I like cooking the traditional way.
I'm gonna have to ask, please tell me how you're going to make your own peanut butter with your hands. You're gonna need a tool. So it might as well be the tool that has every tool, the Thermomix. You don't have one yet? Please email me and we'll be talking right away. I can answer any questions you may have. I can give you a demo, get you free shipping, and much more. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to email me. Thank you so much.